How many of you have ever felt a deep fear when thinking about a serious illness? The reality is that most of us have. The thought of developing a life-altering disease like ALS can be terrifying because it's something we have little control over, or do we? My name is Arnav Atluri, and today I'm here to talk about ALS, a relentless neurological disease that affects thousands of lives each year. But more importantly, I'll be sharing how my app aims to change the game by detecting early signs of ALS, giving us a chance to act sooner and potentially improve the lives of those at risk. ALS, or amyotrophic lateral sclerosis, is a progressive neurodegenerative disease that specifically targets motor neurons in the brain. These are the nerve cells responsible for controlling voluntary muscle movements. This disease begins with symptoms such as, but not limited to, muscle twitching, weakness, and slurred speech. Over time, these symptoms advance, leading to significant muscle atrophy and paralysis. One of the most severe consequences is respiratory failure, as these muscles are responsible for breathing become impaired. Interestingly, while ALS severely impacts physical function, cognitive functions are typically preserved, meaning that the mind remains clear while the body deteriorates. These are some individuals who have played a crucial role in raising awareness about ALS. One notable individual is Lou Gehrig. ALS is otherwise known as Lou Gehrig's disease because he was the first person ever to get diagnosed with ALS in 1939. His high-profile diagnosis led to ALS being commonly known as Lou Gehrig disease. Several individuals have played a crucial role in raising awareness about ALS. Lou Gehrig, the baseball legend, was diagnosed with ALS in 1939. His high-profile diagnosis led to ALS being commonly known as Lou Gehrig's disease. His story greatly increased public awareness and understanding of the disease, highlighting its impact to those affected. Another notable advocate is Brian Volek, who was diagnosed with ALS in 2017. Brian Volek co-founded I Am ALS, an organization dedicated to advocacy and research. As a prominent voice in the ALS community, Volek has been instrumental in uniting patients advocating for research and driving progress in the fight to ALS. While the average life expectancy for ALS is 2 to 5 years, he has survived with ALS for 10 years now and has even gotten President Biden to sign a critical ALS law. Challenges in ALS diagnosis. So diagnosing ALS can be a lengthy process, often taking 10 to 15 months. This delay can be particularly critical as the disease progresses during this time. Once diagnosed, the average life expectancy for each person is typically 2 to 5 years. This means that a significant portion of a patient's life is potentially lost before the diagnosis is confirmed, almost 20% of that time. This delay not only impacts the quality of life, but also limits treatment options, as interventions are more effective when implemented early. Therefore, early detection is crucial for timely intervention and better management of the disease. Revolutionizing early detection and management. The landscape of healthcare is rapidly evolving with the advent of numerous apps designed to assist with various health challenges. These apps enhance patient monitoring and care by providing tools and resources. Some examples are iCare Live, which is basically an app that lets you set up a video call with your eye doctor. Another is Teladoc Health. My app built on this progress by focusing specifically on ALS detection and management. It leverages technology to improve outcomes for ALS patients, offering a novel approach to early detection that could significantly enhance patient care and intervention strategies. So, introducing NeuroTag ALS. My app serves as a powerful early detection and monitoring a tool for ALS, combining three key features. One is the comprehensive questionnaire. This collects detailed information on symptoms and medical history to aid in the evaluation of ALS risk. Another is the static balance test. This is commonly used in Parkinson's, but also can be used for ALS, where this assesses a person's ability to maintain balance, which can also be affected by ALS. And finally, the last feature is the ALS vowel recording identifier. This feature allows users to record themselves pronouncing specific vowels, which the app analyzes for signs of local weakness or other anomalies. By integrating these features, this app aims to improve ALS diagnosis and provide a comprehensive approach by monitoring the disease. Slide 6. Some limitations of the app. Remember, this is just an at-home test for patients to take to help aid the doctor. This should not be the replacement for proper diagnosis. This app serves. It's important to note that while our app offers valuable insights, it's not a replacement for a professional diagnosis. This app serves as a supplementary tool and requires confirmation from a healthcare professional. There are some limitations to prefer. The app's accuracy can be impacted by background noise and other environmental factors. Further clinical validation is needed to ensure the app's effectiveness and reliability. Remember, this app does not provide a cure or treatment for ALS, but aims to assist in early detection and monitoring. Okay. So in conclusion, ALS is a devastating and progressive disease, and early detection is crucial for managing its impact effectively. Our app plays a significant role in this process by aiding in both early detection and ongoing monitoring. Here's how the app enhances ALS diagnosis and management. Some features. The app includes a comprehensive questionnaire, a static balance test, and an ALS vowel voice recording identifier. By providing early indication, this app aims to reduce the time it takes to receive a proper diagnosis. Early detection and monitoring can lead to better management of the symptoms and potentially improve outcomes for patients. Thank you for listening. How many of you have ever felt a deep fear when thinking about a serious illness? The reality is that most of us have. The thought of developing a life-altering disease like ALS can be terrifying because it's something we have little control over, or do we? My name is Arnav Atluri, and today I'm here to talk about ALS, a relentless neurological disease that affects thousands of lives each year. But more importantly, I'll be sharing how my app aims to change the game by detecting early signs of ALS, giving us a chance to act sooner and potentially improve the lives of those at risk.